Hello student, I am Anurag Kashyap. Today I am going to teach an important topic of calculus, that is limit. It is very important for 11th standard and also for JEE, main and advanced. Okay. Before starting the definition, I want to give an example. Let fx equal to x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. At x equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 upon 1 minus 1. That is 0 by 0. That is meaningless. But when x not equal to 1, exact 1, then we use limit. Limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. Here x tends to 1. It is not equal to 1. That is the limiting value. Hence, we can write here limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 square upon x minus 1. And limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Here we can cut these two parts, x minus 1 and x minus 1, from numerator to denominator, because here x is not exact 1. It is equal to, it is approx equal to 1. Hence, it is approx equal to 0. It is approx equal to 0. Hence, we can cut these both numerator and denominator. Understand? Now it is limit x tends to 1, x plus 1. Okay? Let us take x-axis, it is y-axis. Here, fx equal to x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. That is x plus 1. And the graph of x plus 1 we know is, it is minus 1, 0. It is 0, 1. But at x equal to 1, the fx is, at x equal to 1, the value of fx is meaningless. Hence, there is the vicinity of graph. This point shows that at x equal to 1, function is meaningless. Understand? But when we draw another graph, that is also fx, yani x plus 1. Okay? And here we find that as at x equal to 1, it is not defined. It is meaningless. But if x tends to 1, then it may be 1 minus 0, that is less than 1. Another is 1 plus 0, that is infinitely greater than 1, infinitely small greater than 1. And after that, this value gives approx equal to 2 plus 0, that is gives approx equal to 2 minus 0. Means, when all another method is not applicable in any, to define any algebraic expression or any expression, then limit is a bypass method. And we can say that now limit x tends to 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And you told me x tends to 1, not equal to 1. But I have put the value x equal to 1. How? If I put the value x equal to 1, then it is 1.00001 plus 1 equal to 2.0001, approx equal to 2. If we put x tends to 1, that is less than 1. to 1, 0.99999. That is 0.999 plus 1 equal to 1.999. That is also approximate to 2. And these values, these both values are very close. Hence, we can say that limit exists and the value is 2. As left hand limit x tends to 1, x plus 1 means limit x tends to 1, or here 0.1 minus 0, 0.99991 plus 1 equal to 1.9999 and so on. Right hand limit RHL, right hand limit x tends to 1 plus 0, x plus 1. It is equal to 1.00001 plus 1 is equal to 2.00001, approximately to 2. It is also approximately to 2. And the difference between 2.00001 and 1.999 is very small. Hence we can say that here NHL equal to RHL equal to approximately to 2 means limit exists at x equal to 1. Okay? Now we can say that if LHL means left hand limit equal to RHL equal to a finite number means limit x tends to a minus 0 equal to limit x tends to a plus 0 equal to fx equal to k, then we say limit exists at x equal to a. If left hand limit not equal to right hand limit means limit x tends to a minus 0 fx not equal to limit x tends to a plus 0 fx, then we say limit does not exist at x equal to a. Understand? Now I am going to define limit. Definition: limit of any function y equal to fx at x equal to a is equal to L if there exists infinite small epsilon and del such that fx minus a mod less than epsilon and fx minus L mod less than del. Here we can describe this modulus of inequality limit. Here minus epsilon less than fx minus a less than epsilon. Here a minus epsilon less than fx less than a plus epsilon. Similarly, minus del less than fx minus L less than del. L comes both sides with positive sign. L minus del less than fx less than L plus del. Means if the value of x, if the value of x varies from a minus epsilon to a plus epsilon, then the value of fx varies from L plus del to L plus del. We can draw the graph in such a way that if this is the graph of y equal to fx and here it is x equal to a, then at a minus epsilon this value is L minus del, and a plus epsilon this value is L plus del. Then at x equal to a the value of limit is equal to L. Understand? At when a minus epsilon, the value of x is a minus epsilon, then the value of fx is L minus del. If the value of x is a plus epsilon, then the value of limit fx is L plus del, then the value of limit x tends to a of fx is equal to L. This is the definition. Limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 का mod upon x plus x minus 1 का x minus 1. Here at first I want to take LHL, left hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 minus 0, x minus 1 का mod upon x minus 1. It is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus 0 और it is minus x minus 1 इक्वल टू क्या माइनस 1. अब क्या बेटा आगे बढ़ते हैं. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1 प्लस 0, दैट इज द राइट हैंड लिमिट. ओके, और इट इज x माइनस 1 का मॉड अपॉन x माइनस 1. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1, x minus 1 upon x minus 1 and it is equal to 1. Here RHL equal to minus 1 and LHL equal to 1 and LHL equal to minus 1. Here LHL not equal to RHL, hence we can say limit does not exist at x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 2 box x. This box x means greatest integer of x. Everyone you know the property of greatest integer of x. LHL limit, left hand limit x tends to 2 minus 0 fx. That is greatest integer of x. 2 minus 0 मतलब 1.99999 box. It is a fractional part, is the integral part. Fractional part will vanish and the value is 1. RHL, right hand limit x tends to 2 plus 0 box of x. It is equal to 2.00001 of box, that is 2. Here LHL is equal to 1 and RHL equal to 2. Here LHL not equal to RHL, hence we can say limit does not exist at x equal to 2. X tends to 0 mod x. At first I took LHL, limit x tends to 0 mod x. Limit 0 minus 0, it is LHL, that is less than 0, 0 minus 0 mod x. And limit x tends to 0, it is minus x, chunki it is less than the root, hence it is minus x, mod x is minus x. When x less than 0, it is minus 0, that is equal to 0. RHL, right hand limit x tends to 0 plus 0 mod x. When x is greater than 0, the value of mod x is plus x and is equal to 0. Here LHL is also 0, RHL is also 0, LHL equal to RHL equal to 0, hence limit exist and equal to limit exist and equal to 0 at x equal to 0. Understand? Now I am going to describe about indeterminate form. There are 7 indeterminate form. Indeterminate form means it is not meaning that it is not determined. But for solving this type of problem, we have to use some extra knowledge of limit. The 7 indeterminate form is 7 in determinate form. First, 0 upon 0. Second, infinity upon infinity. Third, infinity minus infinity. 4, 0 into infinity. Fifth, infinity to the power 0. Sixth, 0 to the power 0. And seventh, 1 to the power infinity. These are the 7 indeterminate form. Here 0 by 0 is not exactly 0 by 0, but it is approx 0 by 0. Means limit x tends to a, fx by gx is equal to 0 by 0. Here x tends to a, not exact a. Similarly, it is approx equal to 0 by 0. Similarly, it is approx equal to infinity by infinity. Similarly, it is approx equal to infinity minus infinity and so on. Not exact. Understand? Now, we can define some more important formulas, forms of limit. Here, we can define some important forms of limit. Number 1, limit x tends to 0, x tends to a, f to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a equal to n a n minus 1. Limit x tends to 0, a plus h to the power n minus a to the power n by h is equal to also n a n minus 1. Third, limit x tends to 0, x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n equal to m by n a to the power m minus n. Okay? And limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to limit theta tends to 0, theta by sin theta equal to limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x equal to limit x tends to 0, x by sin inverse x equal to 1. Similarly, my fifth result is limit theta tends to 0, tan theta upon theta equal to limit theta tends to 0, theta upon tan theta equal to limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x upon x equal to limit x tends to 0, x by tan inverse x equal to 1. My sixth result is limit x tends to 0, cos x equal to 1. Understand? I want to give some more definition. Seventh, limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Seventh, eighth, limit x tends to 0, e to the power minus x minus 1 upon x equal to minus 1. 8. Limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x by x equal to 1. 9th, limit x tends to 0, log 1 minus x upon x equal to minus 1. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x equal to log a. Similarly, 11th, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus b to the power x upon x equal to log a by b. It is exponential form, it is not a thumb form. Okay? Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x equal to e. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x to the power 1 by x equal to 1 by e. Similarly, limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x to the power x equal to e. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 minus 1 by x to the power x equal to e power minus 1 equal to 1 by e. And more important form, the power infinity form. If limit x tends to a fx to the power gx is equal to 1 to the power infinity form, then limit x tends to a fx to the power gx equal to e to the power gx e to the power limit x tends to a gx into fx minus 1. It is very important for J. Understand?